Hello guys, I'm ATP and today I'm going to share with you my personal stock trading strategy that has averaged more than 50% profit per year since 2018. Yes, you heard that right. It has outperformed the stock market consistently for the past 7 years. And the best part, it only uses free indicators, so anyone watching this video can apply it right now. Let's get started. Before I explain how it works, let me first show you what really matters, the results. Here's the strategy in action applied on TradingView. Starting with Apple, you can see that the strategy is profitable, consistent and maintains very low drawdown values. And the best part is that it works across different types of stocks, all with the exact same settings. For example, when applied to Google, these are the results up to today. 100% profit, 11% drawdown and a smooth and stable equity curve. Even if I switch to completely different stocks, you will notice how steady the equity curves remain. And yes, all these results include real broker commissions using XTB, which only charges currency conversion fees. As you can see, the performance is accurate, robust and profitable, the result of a system I have personally created and used in my own trading portfolio. Now you are probably wondering how such a simple system can deliver these results. Let's take a look at how this strategy actually works. This system is built on two key indicators, each playing an important role. The first one is the Bollinger Bands, but not the standard version. We'll use a special one, the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator, created by LuxAlgo. Unlike the classic version, this indicator measures the distance between the current price and the Bollinger Bands to define the strength of the momentum. It's displayed as a histogram with two lines, the green line, which represents bullish momentum, and the red one, which represents bearish momentum. When the green line is above the red one, momentum is bullish. When the red is above the green, momentum is bearish. I recommend setting the length to 20, which gives the best results. And next, you will need to insert the purple cloud indicator on your chart. Here you have two options. You can use the version by Murat or the one created by myself. Murat's version works well, but if you want more accurate signals, I suggest using mine, because I improved its base code. To get the most recent version, simply join my free Discord community using the link in the description. Go to the channel called Free Materials, where you'll find the code for the purple cloud indicator. Just open the node, copy the code, and then on TradingView, click on Pine Editor, create new, indicator, paste the code and save it. Finally, click on the Add to Chart option and that's it. This indicator combines exponential and simple moving averages with different weights to generate clear buy and sell signals. These two lines you see are the ATR bands, automatically calculated based on market volatility. They will help you set your stop loss at the most efficient levels possible. Now that we have these two indicators, we can define the entry rules. For a long position, the purple cloud must print a buy signal, and the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator must show bullish momentum, meaning the green line is above the red one. For a short position, the purple cloud must print a sell signal and the oscillator must show bearish momentum, with the red line above the green. For the stop losses, use the ATR bands, the lower band for long trades and the upper band for short trades. And now, for take profits, we'll add one more free indicator to our charts, the parabolic SAR. Let's open its settings and set the increment to 0.025 and the maximum to 0.3. And personally, I like to change its color to yellow. You will notice it displays dots above and below the candles. If you are in a long position and the dots flip from below to above the candles, that means it's time to close the position. And if you are short and they flip from above to below, that's your exit signal as well. Now let me give you another tip. If you want to increase your win rate, here's a small optimization I use. Close 50% of your position once you reach the 1 to 0.8 level. Move your stop loss to the entry point and let the rest of the position run until the parabolic SAR flips. This technique helps you lock in profits early while still letting big moves play out, a risk management approach used by many top traders. And that's the full setup, simple, structured and efficient. And now let's talk about the results over time. In my personal portfolio, as you can see, this strategy has achieved an average yearly return of around 56% by using a 2% risk per trade, with a win rate close to 57% and around 210 trades per year, the same as 17 per month. That makes it a highly passive and scalable system that can be applied to almost any stock. Here's the equity curve of my portfolio. As you can see, it's been a smooth and consistent uptrend with very controlled drawdowns. And remember, this is not just one stock, but a diversified portfolio of 7 different assets. If you want to explore the full performance data, you can download this exact trading journal that includes all the rules, results and charts. You will find it on my website algotradepro.com under the ATP portfolio section. Just click on this button that says download. This strategy has been working for over 7 years through bull markets, bear markets and everything in between. So if you want something that actually stands the test of time, this is it. However, you should never follow any system blindly. Always make sure to test it properly before applying it with real capital. And to make that process easier, you can use my trading bot for this system. It already has the entire strategy coded and it's available on my website as well, also on the ATP portfolio section. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. I'm ATP and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.